Okay people, welcome back to the channel. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm just gonna fish, hopefully find them. But yeah, we're out here. Let's try and catch some fish. Okay, here we are in, I guess, the first spot, if you want to call it. It's off this point right here. I'm using a Mini Max chatterbait, of course, with Hog Farmer Hematoma color. Yeah, let's see if we can catch some. Alright, I'm gonna throw a Wacky Rig, a June bug Wacky Rig. Still no bite. It's only been 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know if the water went down a little bit. Oh, go. Oh, nice. He's little. Oh, and he's mad. He's mad. But he's got one. Nice. He's not that little. Ooh, that took out some of his cheek skin. There he is. Awesome, our first fish. Nice. It's very pretty. Nice patterns. Definitely like it. Cool. Thanks for biting. Okay, we're in a new spot. I don't know if this is the best spot because there'll be a lot of this. Hopefully we can find them, man. Yeah, there's a lot of that. A lot of that. Oh, yeah. He's little, but yeah. Don't care. He's a fish. Right in the top of his mouth. See, that was perfect. That was perfect. Look at that. Right in the schnoz. All right, that's out. Thank you, little guy. Thanks for biting, bud. He did a trick and everything. Oh, yes. Another little one, but don't care. This one's in the cheek. Okay, yeah, little guy. Okay, you guys see that blue or that black on his cheek? Like right there? It's like almost blue. That's really cool. Awesome. He bit me. Thanks for biting, bud. Sorry I didn't thank you while you were out. Oh, another. I didn't even feel him bite it. No way. Did not even feel that. Dude, stop. Chill out. Just... Okay. Not gonna whip you in. Get him out here. Give me that. Alright, another little one. This one's really little. Nice. Oh man, thank you for biting. Let go of me. Thank you for biting, crazy. These are Muscovy ducks. They are, I believe, a Chinese duck. I got him. Yeah, right in the top of the mouth. Dude, there we go. Yep, there we go on the roof. Okay, getting close. He's a nice sized one. He's small. He's probably barely a pound. Barely. But yeah, he's nice. Thanks for biting me. Alright, we are back, guys. And today was a bit weird. I didn't expect to use the Wacky Rig the whole time. I was hoping to be able to use, the chatterbait, because definitely my favorite bait. But yeah, guys, that's the video. That's all I got for today. It's all the time I have. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would really like it if you guys would like and subscribe, and please let me know if there's something that you guys want to see me try, like want to see me try and fish. Let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.